Hi everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. I am Kritika and this is my last month's wrap. मैंने क्या क्या किताबें पढ़ी and a few of the YouTube videos recommendation that I wanted to share with you. I want to begin with a small book which is White Nights by Dostoevsky. Firstly, मैं Penguin Little Black Classics से थोड़ी obsessed हो गई हूँ. So I think this is a small recommendation that how you can start with classics. I had with White Nights and Life of a Stupid Man जिसके बारे में मैंने पहले भी बात की and I'll talk about it briefly again. Talking about Dostoevsky's White Nights, ये एक किताब है who is talking about a man's loneliness and his illusions of happiness and what he thinks about love and जो पूरा unrequited love वाला concept है वो बड़ी अच्छे से बताया गया है इस किताब में and it reminded me of दो तीन शेर थे मेरे दिमाग में पूरे टाइम चलते रहे जब भी मैं ये किताब पढ़ रही थी. The one was हज़ारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले बहुत निकले मेरे अरमा फिर भी कम निकले. I don't know why it was on loop whenever I was reading it because जो ये इंसान है he is so unabashed about his expression of love. He is not filtering himself और वो अपने illusion में और उसको जब लगता है कि I finally found the woman who I can love, who I can shower with all that I feel and his constant desire to feel loved as well वो पूरी होने वाली है. So he cannot stop himself from dreaming and being happy about it. There's another one by Faiz Ahmad Faiz जो उन्होंने बोला गुजर गया जो लम्हा उसे फिर नहीं बुलाते जो बात लबों तक आई उसे फिर नहीं छुपाते. And I think this is a very nice definition to the character. Do read it. The second one was again The Life of a Stupid Man by Akutagawa. बहुत ही प्यारी किताब है बहुत छोटी सी है and it's not a one story. It is a collection of 3 stories. So do give it a try. I've also talked about it in a different video altogether. The third one is Anxious Generation which is also a book a month in Kitabi Cabins and Chalchitra Talks. अभी पूरी नहीं हुई है. I'm reading this book very deeply. So I'm quite slow in it and in my family there are a lot of children of different ages and I have seen them grow up on technology and वो अलग-अलग age group के हैं. So now that I'm reading the book I can also relate how technology impacts the children's behavior and I was constantly sending snippets to their parents like oh my god do you see कि इसकी वजह से character changes आ रहे हैं आपके बच्चे में. I got obsessed with it. I'm very slowly reading. I'm just on the 65 pages and I have so many markings and I am obsessed with the statistical data. Anyway, I am excited to read the solution part of it क्योंकि I think solution it's not just कि phone side में बंद करके रख दो अगर वो applicable हो पाता तो अब तक हो चुका होता. So I am curious if it has some legit solutions to offer. The another one that I want to talk about are some YouTube videos. The first one is Joe Pera Talks You to Sleep. इसका पूरा एक बहुत सारी videos है and I went to the comment section and people genuinely find it helpful उनकी anxiety में उनकी overthinking में which does not let them sleep and so many people have left such heartfelt comments. मेरे लिए थोड़ा उल्टा है. It does not help me sleep. वो मेरी नींद उड़ा देते हैं because उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी बातें बोली हैं पूरी videos में. I want to read one of the thing that he said which is one of my favorite line which says I don't care about my photographic legacy. As a matter of fact I hope I'm not remembered at all and can one day just disappear. Like anytime somebody asks a famous person or a celebrity this like what do you want to be remembered by once you die and everybody has such interesting answers of course but I always find it funny मतलब मृत्यु परांत भी अगर आपकी इच्छाएं हैं then what's the point like once you die your wants and needs they disappear with you. That's the whole point. और इस लाइन की डिलीवरी पूरी वीडियो में इतनी खूबसूरत है and everything that he said one thing about the importance of little things and finding one thing or one person that you love and you're lucky enough that they love you back. He was talking about this and there's a snippet where he shared when Stephen Hawking cheated on his wife she must have felt pretty sad. It's a terrible thing to do and I don't want to defend him but try thinking about it from his perspective for a moment. He spends all day thinking about the universe and how big it is, how our star the sun is just one of dozens of stars in the galaxy which is just one of dozens of galaxies in the known universe all set against handfuls and handfuls of time. If one guy cheats on his wife what's the big deal? Thinking further down the same line of thought, however, if you are so tiny and insignificant, if you are able to find one person in the entire universe who cares about you, why would you want to disappoint them? I mean, this is the beginning of the video, और वो पूरा video I think 20-25 minutes का, and I couldn't sleep. The title is Joe Pera Talks You to Sleep, but I couldn't sleep. उनकी एक एक बात बहुत प्यारी है. The another video collection is from a YouTube channel called Tae Time. It's good. It goes by TAEE Time, and it has small animated videos, 3 to 5 minutes के. It's mostly about how digital life is changing our relationships with people, with ourselves, friends और अपने partners के साथ. तो relationships change हो ही रहा है उसका dynamic, because you're constantly looking out, मेरा message पढ़ा या नहीं पढ़ा, last scene ये था, reply क्यों नहीं किया, blah blah blah, and you're constantly consumed by it. It also changes your relationship with yourself and how you think that you're connected with the world but you're disconnected. और उसकी जो animated visuals हैं वो बहुत ही captivating है. Do check them out. The other one was not an exploration, and I kept going back to one of my favorite songs by Coldplay called The Scientist. The best part of this about the song is that it's a love song and it's called The Scientist. I mean, ये जो pragmatic और prose का मिलन है, I love it, and he's trying to fight the emotions with logic and trying to accept what has happened, why the relationship did not work, and the line, the questions of science and secrets could not hold as long as my heart, something like that. I mean, the whole puzzle wala part, and he's just trying to figure out why the relationship did not work. It's a beautiful song. I'm not sure what category the song lies in. I was checking out, is it pop, is it rock? I don't know, do tell me what you think of it. But if it comes into the category of pop, I have a deep admiration जो अच्छे pop songs लिखते हैं. Like the lyrics have to be meaningful for me to enjoy the music. This was mostly my jab. Do tell me, पहली बात तो ये कि Scientist किस category में आता है, and what you're reading, what you're watching currently, and I will see you next time. Thank you.